Hello everybody, hello friends, it's me Geo, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna take you with me on my flight from Singapore back to Munich. I'm flying with Singapore Airlines in premium economy. It's a night flight, so I'm looking forward to a good night's sleep. And don't forget to stick around until the end of the video so you will see the whole premium economy experience. I'm gonna show you the cabin, the seat, and of course the onboard dining. So come fly with me.
Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. As the safety equipment on this aircraft may differ from that on other aircraft, please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore. On behalf of Singapore Airlines, we hope you have a great time on board as well as in Singapore or anywhere else in the world we take you.
We have just taken off, and as you can see, we are seated at the bulkhead of premium economy. We are seated at seats 31A and 31C. On the front here, you can find a bottle of water, and this is also where you can find some literature, magazines, the safety information, and this is the headphones provided for premium economy. I'm not quite sure if this is noise cancelling, but it already looks much better than the headsets provided in economy class. At the side here is a space for your drinks, and these are your controls for the entertainment system. And you can also find the buttons to call the flight attendant or to adjust the light. Also at your side, you can find your table, the tray table, which you can easily put up, and it's enough space. At the side of your seat, you have these reading lights, and you can adjust the brightness. There are also some charging ports and this plug where you can plug in the headphones. There are two buttons at the side of the seat. The top one is for the recline adjustment of your seat, and the bottom one is the leg rest. And at the side of your seat, there's also a mini compartment which can fit your phone. You have more than enough space for your feet. I can fully stretch my feet, and that's the benefit of sitting at the bulkhead. Let me show you how to release the leg rest and the foot rest. So there are two buttons at the side, and you just need to press the lower button over here. That's the leg rest, and you just need to pull this out here, and that's the foot rest. And to put it back in, you just need to fold it inwards. While pressing the button again, you need to push the leg rest back, and that's easy. Now let me show you the recline of the seat, the upper button. Just press it. That's the upright position. So I'm gonna press it now and push while pushing myself forward. This is the seat with a full recline. This is how it looks with the footrest and leg rest out, as well as the full recline of the seat. Thank you.
For waiting.
Singapore Airlines also provides this amenity kit for premium economy passengers. It's a very simple amenity kit, and this is available upon request. It's a zipped rectangular pouch, and on the side it has a small imprint which says favorite playground of yesteryears. And on the right side is the branding of the logo of Singapore Airlines. Inside this pouch is a pair of socks. This is a lip balm. There's also a toothbrush. There is also a small toothpaste. It's a very cute and practical pouch, which of course you can also reuse.
From Munich is clear skies, temperature of 9 degrees Celsius with like northeasterly breeze. Based on our forecast and barring any natural tricky days, we should be landing in Munich at 10 minutes past 7. 6 hours difference between Singapore and Munich. The local time now in Munich is coming up to about 6:30 in the morning. On behalf of Singapore Airlines Auto Corp, I'd like to thank you for flying us. Cabin crew, please get there for arrival. Thank you.
Welcome to Munich, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments and remember to take all your belongings with you. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Good morning guys from Flughafen München. We have just arrived in Munich International Airport, and it was a very pleasant and wonderful experience with Singapore Airlines. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the premium economy flight experience with Singapore Airlines. But before I end this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel and lifestyle videos. Until next time, and see you in my next vlog. Ciao!